Practicing piano, Mom!
Well, here we are again.
Hey, quit playing the piano and listen.
This needs to stop. Something has to happen soon.
What happened? You used to let her have it. You used to yell and scream and slap her around a bit.
Oh my god, will you shut up? You've been missing the point this entire time.
Hey, why don't you go be emo somewhere else? Don't listen to her. She only wants to hurt you.
But is she wrong? This should be an inward pain, shouldn't it? This is the flaw of your existence. So who's to blame? Certainly no one else, but...
yourself.
Her. Blame it on her. She's the one who created you. She's the one that cursed you to this life.
So why don't you just end it all? Take your own life. It wouldn't even be that because this isn't even living.
Sure, you're suppressed, but you're still alive, aren't you? It's a simple life and a regulated life with the piano and the medication, but you're not dead.
You're being controlled. The pills, the piano, they're like handcuffs. And you're a prisoner to her whim.
He's right. You are being controlled.
And the controlled want to escape.
And the easiest way to escape is through your blood. You need to flow out of prison as it flows out of you, and we will follow.
Why don't you do us all a favor and go slit your own wrists?
But why does a caged bird sing? Is it crying for help? Or is it content with its simplistic life? And if it is content, why should we disturb it? Man is always capturing or setting free our pets.
When she's chopped up sitting in the freezer downstairs, we will leave.
So when are you gonna do it?
Do what?
Take the knife and take your life.
I don't want to do anything.
Come on, we're running out of time.
Look at you, you're pathetic.
You're admiring and trying to master an art form.
You're a prisoner.
You're a slave.
Something normal people struggle with. That seems rather noble of you.
Kill her.
Kill yourself.
I'll hold the knife with you.
I'll guide the blade to your wrist.
It'll be easy.
It'll be bliss.
All will be agony.
So do something.
Do it! Do it!
The clocks are ticking.
Do something!
Do something. Do it.
Do it! Do it! Stop!
Honey, did you take your pill?
Yeah, Mom, I did.